got the blues to keep me half sedated. It's too unusual. Stevie Ray playing different measures for my cubicle. Lots of different sounds like it's Johnny Depp in Fear and Loathing. Watch me walking through the garden, floral print all over clothing. Toward the art museum with my mind, the only eye is scoping. Couple bottles later, family worry about my way of coping. I plant the seed, their only struggle is a plan of growing. I get the forest going if I get my focus station. I stay coherent in the world that's full of numbing agents. I lie awake and welcome crazy thoughts. My one response is salutations. Hello. You should have seen the looks on all their faces. I rap the generations, kill the beats and beat the cases. My mind is racing while the clock is ticking currently. In a hurry, excuses turn to hyperboles. Something burning, you can smell the sense of urgency. I read the Bible, let that knowledge only further me. If love kills, then you'll find me on the murder spree. Speaking words of courage while I'm overseas and Holly. I feel fine again, sipping on a Heineken. Put away the wine again. Too much on my mind, fighting time like I'm Rambo. I was walking around eating truffles at the Van Gogh, staring at the painting. It's amazing how fast time go. I took a minute as I stared upon his self-portrait. Funny how we take this life for granted for we corpses. You living up, forgiving me, I'm taking different courses. Speaking morbid, but the thought is in existence as I'm grasping for the matches, dropping ashes like a game of physics. I really should. I just wish I didn't. Sometimes I feel like I'm Van Gogh. Paint an image that you feel, let your cares go. And when you start to slip, please just bear with. Please, I need someone to share this. Please let me reach where I can't go. On the sea, by the beach with my eyes closed. On the mountain peak though, I can't stand snow. Close my eyes and imagine that I'm Van Gogh. Sometimes I feel like I'm Van Gogh. Paint an image that you feel, let your cares go. And when you start to slip, please just bear with. Please, I need someone to share this. Please let me reach where I can't go. Paint an image that I feel when I'm down low. And if I gotta land, let me down slow. Paint my plans bright like Van Gogh. I've been staring at an older painting, super motivating, product of my culture. I'm surrounded by the same seeds I'm cultivating. Add some practice, I can feel my purpose culminating. Words so abstract, some say it's for the birds Affleck. Trying to save my city, Ben Affleck. Got a mesh snapback, seeing through your words, looking past that. It's true that I've been goofy, I just need something to laugh at. Painted on my canvas if I'm feeling fairly frantic, and my head is in the places, feeling lower than Atlantis. I'm a go-getter, if I get it then I want it. See, it's all about persistence, I just speak it to existence. Count on my expenses, only sending all my senses. Put it all onto a piece of paper, form a written sentence. Never scared to paint it, woke up feeling dangerous. Only painted pictures and I'll scribble till it's ageless. And don't forget it, this